Hello guys, I trust you have been watching my videos. I've been posting amazing awesome videos and content. You can check out all my previous videos on how to make money on my YouTube channel. You can see that I have been posting amazing awesome content, guys. Guys can see I basically post about crypto, forex and stock exchanges. You can see all my videos I've been posting, so you can watch my amazing videos to learn more stuff, and you can private chat me, or if you have a question or a confusion, all my links will be in the video description below, guys. If you have a question or confusion, and if you want to learn crypto, you can also private chat me and we will discuss about that and anything that has to do with crypto. Well, I've been having some questions and answers from my viewers, so I want to bring it to your notice now. People have been asking me how to do the Binance p2p. Some people up to today, some people don't still know how to go about Binance p2p. Well, it's as simple as that. Currently now I don't have funds and crypto funds in my Binance account, but I will just be doing it for you and showing you how you can do the Binance p2p with ease. Well, if you have crypto wallet in your Binance account, you can transfer it to your funds account, to your funding account. Well, if you have in your funding account, that is how you be able to use the Binance p2p, and you have to come to the p2p. Now you have to choose the coins that you want to sell and the coins that you want to buy. If the coins that you want to buy, if it's a USDT, which is actually the most common, now you can see people also do arbitrage from here, where you have USDT, you swap it to BTC or ETH and you sell it in ETH and buy again and swap. That's arbitrage trading, how to make money from arbitrage. Where you can see if it's USDT, depending on the amount you want to buy. Let's say I'm a Nigerian though, so depending on your country, you can select if it's dollar you want or Nigeria. Let's say you want to buy around 10,000. So you can see these are the rates of people that are willing to sell. And a dollar against naira is actually around 7.31 now. So you can see these are the prices of those that are willing to you can buy from. So you can choose the one you want to buy and proceed. If the one you want to buy and proceed is this, click on this, and you have to click on type in the amount. This amount should be sending, and when you click on buy with zero fees, you see the person's payment address, payment account where you send the money to, and you have to click on send, and in a few minutes time press click on confirm. And now if you want to sell, reverse is the case. Come to sell. When you come to sell, let's say is the exact amount you want to sell, click on this. If you have 100,000 worth of USDT or any currency you want to sell, but you can see, like I told you, I don't actually have any USDT now, but I just want to explain it for the purpose of this video. So you can see you have to click on this, click on the payment address that you want them to send it to, then click on sell with zero fees, and from there it's self-explanatory, and in a few minutes you will see your money. But that is how to use the Binance p2p and make money, guys. So guys, you can hit me up for any questions, private chat me up for any confusions, and I'll be there to answer you. And where you can subscribe to my channel, um money 24 hours, and you can also subscribe to my second channel as money 247. I also post amazing awesome content on that channel also. So you can basically subscribe to money 247, and you can also drop me a private DM. I trust have a good and amazing awesome day. If that's the case, smash the like button, comment and subscribe to my videos. Have an amazing awesome day. Bye.